Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. This rug from Unique Loom is so good. I love it. I've had it for a while now, and it is the perfect addition to my home. It is exactly what we were looking for. I love the look of a distressed vintage style rug, and this is exactly what you'll get if you get this one. It's from the Sofia Collection, and this is the 9 by 12. We have a really large space that is wide open downstairs, and I needed something to differentiate between the living and the dining room, and this was perfect. Our very large dining room table fits perfectly in the center of this with all 6 chairs. It's perfect for the space that we have it in. It really helps differentiate between the two areas and really ties the whole room together. It's pet friendly. It is safe to put over your hardwood floor to protect it from your pets, but then also your chairs and tables. I really love this rug. I think it is so plush and soft. It's easy to clean, definite worth it to invest in this rug. I think it is perfect for my home, and I think it could be great for yours too. And that's just my point of view.